Hey there, welcome back friends. On our last video we were able to read the information, read the file name from our submitted form, which is good enough. Now on this video we will able to understand how to store the information submitted via the form on the file system. Now friends, when it comes to these projects which are there on the Project Explorer, these folders depend on the workspace folder. These folders depend on Eclipse. Now when it comes to storing the information, the path needs to be very specific and the path needs to be absolute. So in here, let me show you the file system. For example, if we would like to store the information inside this images folder, right? In order to do that, first of all, what we will do is we will delete this folder to start with. Now friends, it may be the case that when we add a new folder, the access level may be available to the application, or the access could be denied when we try to store the information inside the folder. So in order to handle that, try to give the complete access, give the read write access on the folder to the application or to the specific user. Now in our case, what we will do to be very safe, we will right click, navigate to properties, we will navigate to security, we will edit the group or names, and we will add a new user, and the user would be everyone. Now let me show you how that can be done. In here we will type in everyone, we will check the names, and we will click on OK. We will give the control. Now how you will handle the access level is something which depends on the operating system, so handle it accordingly. Alright, now moving forward, also let me show you the path. The path is nothing but very simple, C drive images. Alright, so in here let me write the information on the folder. So it would be very simple, it would be image dot write, and using this particular method we will be able to write information on a file. So we will require a new file now, and we need to also give the path. So the path is very simple, it would be like C://. So this is important, give the /, and then the folder is images / and then we will make use of the file name which we receive from the form itself. Alright, so I guess this is good, but we need to surround this with try catch block. So in fact, let us add in the exception to the existing catch block. Alright, so this looks good to me. Alright, now let us again test whether everything is working properly or not by executing this form. Alright, let me click on browse and let us select these 3 images. Let me upload all of them. Alright, now finally let us check whether the files got uploaded inside this images folder or not. And here are the files. Amazing. We can again retest. Let me select a couple of more files and let me try to upload those. Here we go. Let me check the folder. Alright, so we are able to upload the images perfectly. Perfect. So this is good. This is amazing. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.